Well, Radhe Radhe, I am Priyanka Kumari. Today I am going to solve the entrance exam math. This is also coming in the 12th math. It's coming on the standard 12 even. So let's start the heading simple and compound interest. It's also come in the 10th class, but this is the entrance exam math. So let's begin with the question. First, rupees 4,800 become rupees 6,000 in 4 years at a certain rate of a compound interest. What will be the sum after 12 years? So this is our principal and this is our amount. So what will be our formula? This is our formula, 1 plus r by 100. N means the time and equals to a. So by this formula we have to put our question. So here is p. So p hour is this. So 4800 and this will be remain as it is. So 1 plus r 100 whole n equals to what is our amount? So amount is 6,000. So this is our amount. So next, so what was the next step? It will go here because amount principal most of time principals are going there. So we will this will become here only. R by 100 equals to this will come. This will be first here and after that this will become there. So this is our math. Next we will cut this number 0 0 cut it. After that it will cut by the 12 table. So 12 5s are 16 and 12 4s are 48. So what's come? 5 by 4. Next, as we will keep it as remain. Oh sorry. Here will be the 4. The time is our 4. Because we get our years 4. Because of this we put here 4. And 4 is divided in the 12. So 4 into 3 equals to 12. So because of this we will put here the 3. So this will be, we will keep this one, and our years, how many years? Mean how many months we take for the 3. So because of this it will be 3. And if we are doing the 5 into 5 into 5. So what? 125. And next 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 equals to 64. So because of this 125 by 64. And next step 1 plus r 100. It will be into then 12. Into होने के बाद what will be 12 equals to, we will put this number because we had done this all. मतलब ये it has solved. Because of this we will put only this. So 125 by 64. So this is our, and what we will put here? What we will put here, that comes this number. Mean यहाँ पे क्या put करेंगे? जो ये नंबर आएगा. So because of this what we will put the into 75. You can just justify for this, that what you will add, what you will into that this number can come. So 75. So as a search formula, what we are doing in search formula, whatever we are taking in the down, so we are taking in the up also. So because of this here is also this. So after doing the into, you will get here upper 125 into 75 9375 and 64 into 75 4800 we will get. So this is, and after that it will be here, it will become here, this will be here. Mean as remain it 12, we got 12, our time is equals to 937 because we put here this one, so it will be remain 9375. So this is our answer. So what was the statement? The sums so that rupees 4800 became rupees, this is our answer. So because of this 375 after 12 years. Mean this money get after 12 years. This money mean ये money पहले था, 12 साल पहले हमारा ये मनी था और 12 साल बाद हमारा कितना मनी आया. So this is our statement. The sums shows that rupees 4800 become rupees 9375 after 12 year. So what is the first principle? 4800, and the after 12 year this is 9375. So you understood?
Yes, miss, I understood.
So this is your challenge, man. So I am reading the question here. Rupees 6,000 become rupees 7200 in the 3 years at a certain rate of a compound interest. what will be the amount received after 9 years. Both are the same math, just here is a 9 year and in previous math there is a 12 years. So this is your challenge math. So solve now. So this is your challenge math. Just like, subscribe and share, and comment in the comment box that you had done this math. If you can, then give the answer that this is our answer, because I had solved this math. So thank you so much for watching this video. Just comment it that you had solved. Thank you so much for watching my video.